For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an essential oil business can be a rewarding venture, combining passion for natural wellness with entrepreneurial spirit. Essential oils have a growing market, fueled by demand for natural health remedies, aromatherapy, and beauty products. Leveraging free AI tools can significantly simplify the process, helping you plan, market, and grow your business without heavy upfront costs. This guide will walk you through a step-by-step process to launch your essential oil business using free AI, from ideation to marketing. Step 1. Research the essential oil market. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand the market you're entering. Use AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT to gather information about current trends, top-selling essential oils, target customer segments, and competitor analysis. A useful ChatGPT prompt for this step could be: provide a detailed market analysis for the essential oil industry in 2025, including key trends, target customer demographics, and top competitors. This will give you a comprehensive overview and help you identify profitable niches, such as organic oils, blends for relaxation, or skincare-focused products. Step 2. Define your business model and product line. Decide what type of essential oil business you want to start. Will you focus on pure oils, blends, diffusers, or wellness kits? ChatGPT can assist in creating a clear business model by analyzing pros and cons of each approach. Use a prompt like, "Help me define a business model for an essential oil company focusing on organic single oils versus blended products, including benefits and challenges." Based on this input, you can outline your product line and decide on sourcing options, whether you'll distill your own oils or source from suppliers. Step 3. Write a business plan. A well-structured business plan is essential for guiding your venture and attracting potential partners or investors. Free AI tools like ChatGPT can draft a business plan quickly. Provide details about your business idea and goals, and ask for a full plan. For example, create a business plan for a startup essential oil company, including executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections. This draft can then be customized with your specifics. The AI tool can also help generate SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, by prompting. Generate a SWOT analysis for a small essential oil business, focusing on online sales. Step 4. Develop branding and design. Your brand identity is key to standing out in the essential oils market. Use AI-powered design tools like Canva's free version or Loca to generate logos, color palettes, and branding materials. To conceptualize your brand voice and style, ask ChatGPT. Suggest brand names, slogans, and a brand voice for a natural, eco-friendly essential oil business targeting young adults. Then, use this guidance in design platforms to create visuals consistent with your brand personality. Step 5. Source ingredients and packaging. Identify reliable suppliers for essential oils and eco-friendly packaging. AI tools may not directly provide supplier lists, but can help draft professional inquiry emails or contracts. For example, write a professional email template requesting price lists and minimum order quantities from essential oil suppliers. This saves time and ensures clear communication. Additionally, research certifications like organic or cruelty-free standards using AI to ensure your sourcing aligns with customer expectations. Step 6. Build an online presence. Creating a website and social media profiles is essential for modern business success. Use free AI website builders like Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, to create a professional site quickly. For website content, ChatGPT can write product descriptions, blog posts, and FAQ pages. Example prompt: write engaging product descriptions for lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus essential oils highlighting their benefits and uses. For social media, AI tools such as Later or Buffer with free plans can help schedule posts and analyze engagement. Use ChatGPT to generate social media captions or content calendars by asking. Create a 30-day social media content calendar for an essential oil brand, including post ideas and captions. Step 7. Create a marketing strategy. Use AI to develop an effective marketing plan that includes SEO, email marketing, and influencer partnerships. ChatGPT can draft marketing strategies based on your goals. Develop a digital marketing plan for a new essential oil company targeting wellness enthusiasts on a budget of $500 per month. You can also use free keyword research tools like Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner to optimize your website content for search engines. For email campaigns, AI writing assistants like MailChimp's free tier include AI features to create persuasive emails. Step 8. Set up sales channels. Decide where to sell your products, through your website, marketplaces like Etsy, or local stores. ChatGPT can help you draft product listings or vendor outreach messages. Write a product listing description for Etsy selling handmade essential oil blends. If you want to approach retail stores, prompt ChatGPT. Create a professional pitch email to local boutiques introducing my essential oil products for consignment sales. Step 9. Handle legal and financial basics. Although AI cannot replace professional legal advice, it can help you understand the basics. Ask ChatGPT, what are the legal requirements for starting an essential oil business in the U.S., including licenses, permits, and labeling laws? You can also use AI to draft simple contracts or terms and conditions templates. For bookkeeping, free software like Wave can automate invoicing and expense tracking, and you can use ChatGPT to help draft invoices or financial summaries. Step 10. Launch and optimize. Once everything is in place, launch your business by announcing on social media and via email. Use AI tools to monitor feedback and generate customer service replies quickly. For example, write polite and helpful responses to common customer questions about essential oil usage and safety. Regularly analyze website traffic with free Google Analytics and adjust marketing strategies with AI suggestions. Continuously ask ChatGPT for ideas to improve products, packaging, or promotions based on customer feedback. In conclusion, starting an essential oil business using free AI tools can make the process efficient, cost-effective, and well-informed. From market research and business planning to branding and marketing, AI empowers entrepreneurs to take data-driven decisions and automate repetitive tasks. By following these steps and leveraging AI assistance thoughtfully, you can build a successful essential oil brand that resonates with customers and stands out in a competitive market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.